Hi guys, it's me, the Roblox champ. Today, right now, not today, right now, I am going to show you how to play the really easy obby. And everyone will be like me one day. Well, just a joke if you didn't laugh. Ha ha ha. Now let's move on with this obby. Let's see the really easy obby. Oh, there it is. Let's see how it starts. Oh, there I am. Look at my little Roblox shirt and I'm bold. Can't believe it. Let's start this game. 3, 2, what is that guy doing in front of me? He died, yeah. Let's beat his record. Run! I think I'm going to finish this thing. Can't believe I got a friend request for the first time in forever. Let's see what the next stage is like. Dang, this is pretty easy. That's why I'm pretty sure this is why it's called a really easy obby. Cause it's easy.
That's really easy.
Oh, I fell. One more time. Come on, this thing is taking forever. This thing is taking forever. Where did it go? Is it those invisible thing? It just reappeared. Run! Jump! Thank God I didn't fall. And the best, by the way, because I just started. Come on, do I jump here? Yeah, I didn't fall. Run!
Run!
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's continue this thing. This thing's actually taking forever. Let's see.
This is the longest.
If you look closely, there is a small subtle or whatever that is difference. Let's see. Oh, this thing is way pinker. I am on my tippy toes.
And there are really cool spots.
Middle one. I think this thing's pretty easy. I bet that's why it's called a really easy obby.
Oh, yeah.
Background theme. This is the easiest obby I've ever played.
This is really easy, obvious though. Go to the longest.
This is easy. Like me jump. I am jumping. I'm in paradise jumping. You just go up the stairs and jump. Next one's pretty hard, I guess. I am still gonna run. Ah! Let's charge ahead. Pause. Still charge ahead. Run. This is not your life. This is someone else. Oh, come on. No! Again. I'm so on my tippy toes. Let's continue this thing. Let's see how far I can go. Don't make me fall. I'll sabotage you. My avatar. I knew who that was. some bug.
Let's have only one more. And one here.
Come on, this thing's getting easier. Can this thing get any easy? Okay, I take that back. Why am I not getting this? This looks pretty easy. Sorry guys, but I am so disturbed. I can't believe I lost. Sorry, but I'm getting out of this game. Another game. Oh! Bye guys, that was just an